Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of Standard 8 Geography, Lesson number 1, Local Time and Standard Time. Let's begin. First, we will start with fill in the blanks. First one. In olden days, people used to take the help of various tools for the measurement of time. Underline time. Next, on the basis of observation and experience, the day is divided into 4 parts. Underline observation and experience. Next, a whole day meant the duration from one sunrise to the next. Underline sunrise. Next, earlier natural events and instruments like Ghatika Patra and sand timer was used to tell time. Underline Ghatika Patra and sand timer. Next, the earth takes 24 hours, that is, one day to complete one rotation. Underline earth. Next, the earth rotates from west to east. Underline west to east. Next, during rotation, the longitudes in the western part face the sun gradually, while those in the east experiences darkness. Underline western part. Next, the longitudes which face the sun experiences sunrise, while on the other hand, the one in the darkness experiences sunset. Underline sunrise and sunset. Next, as soon as the sun starts moving up in the sky after sunrise, the length of our shadow reduces. Underline reduces. Next, the length of the shadow is shortest at noon. Underline shortest. Next, the time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. Underline local time. Next, at the poles, the daytime and the duration of the day lasts around 6 months. Underline 6 months. Next, to tell the time of sunrise or sunset at the poles, one has to consider the date. Underline date. Next, at the poles, sunrise occurs on one equinox and sunsets on the other next equinox. Underline poles. Next, the earth takes almost 24 hours to complete one rotation, in the bracket 360 degree. Underline 24 hours. Next, the earth rotates by 360 degree divided by 24 hours is equal to 15 degree in 1 hour around its own axis. Underline earth. Next, the earth takes 60 minutes divided by 15 degrees is equal to 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. Underline 1 degree. Next, for each degree of longitude, the local time differs by 4 minutes. Underline 4 minutes. Next, The local time of a place can be calculated with reference to the time at the prime meridian. Underline prime meridian. Next, when we put AM in front of the time, it means ante-meridiem. Underline ante-meridiem. Next, the time in between noon and midnight is denoted by PM, means post-meridiem. Underline post-meridiem. Next, longitudes lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time. Underline ahead. Next, longitudes lying to the west of any longitudes are behind of the time. Underline behind. Next, the difference in longitudes can be known with the help of a globe or map. Underline globe or map. Next, the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for that country. Underline standard time. Next, the Indian Standard Time IST in the bracket has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. Underline Indian Standard Time. Next, for the international coordination between countries, the local time at Greenwich in the bracket Greenwich Mean Time, close the bracket, in England is considered to be International Standard Time. Underline Greenwich. Next, the Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Underline 5 hours 30 minutes.